Hello, welcome to True Restorations Repairs explanation video. Thank you for taking the time to view this video to better understand the repair side of your claim and to learn how True Restorations can assist you. This video will highlight some of the choices and concerns in your repair estimating and claim settling process. Your insurance carrier will assign a field adjuster to your claim who will come to the site to measure up and document all the damages to the structure and contents affected by your emergency condition. This adjuster will generate an estimate for the scope of work they feel is proper for direct replacement of affected finishes to bring the structure back to pre-loss condition. Once this estimate is approved by you, the payout value of these repairs, less any policy deductible and depreciation, will be sent directly to you. This repair payout check may have your mortgage company listed as a payee on the check. Best practice is to consult your mortgager as to their insurance check clearing procedure to better understand if there will be any delays or repair progress landmarks that may affect the flow of your funds. You may use these funds as you see fit and hire any contractor you want or even do the repair work yourself. If you have any personal contents damaged as a result of your emergency, your field adjuster and you will discuss and agree on which items will be written off as a loss and which items will be cleaned and/or repaired. The final payout value of those written off content items will be paid directly to you and will be drawn from a separate coverage limit within your policy. As stated previously, your carrier will provide you with a repair estimate, which means you do not have to provide your own estimate. True Restorations offers a free review of the adjuster-generated repair estimate, and if the adjuster's estimate is complete or brought to a complete and fair payout based on our review, we will perform the repairs for the final approved payout values, and you will only be responsible for the deductible. The process of True Restorations' free review of your carrier's field adjuster estimate can sometimes take weeks to finalize due to slow response from the adjuster and more time to have the check cut and monies cleared. True Restorations offers a program to dramatically speed up this repair payout process. The program is called a Repair Deposit Agreement. In short, we would take a small, non-refundable deposit which could be applied to a future repair contract. We would immediately generate a competitive repair estimate with proper repair scope, meet the adjuster on site in most cases, haggle back and forth on your behalf to get the best possible scope of work with the right pricing for your claim. Our involvement will push the claim settlement process and greatly assist the field adjuster in closing out this claim. Many field adjusters don't have the decades of remodeling experience that the True Restoration staff possess, and often not knowingly short their repair payouts due to this lack of experience. Once the repair payout value is established, we would then draft a contract using those values and perform some or all of the repairs as agreed by you. Assuming we do in fact enter into a repair contract with you for the majority of the repairs, the cost of this repair deposit agreement would be applied as the first payment. If you choose to hire another contractor or even do the repairs yourself, the repair deposit cost would be non-refundable, and True Restorations would keep this as fair compensation for helping to attain a proper scope with pricing and assisting you in your decision to settle your repair claim with the carrier. Are you looking to do the repairs as quickly as possible and not incur long delays in the estimating and claim settling process? Do you value your time and would rather not be aggravated in dealing with your insurance carrier? Would you prefer to have a contractor willing to do the repairs for the agreed insurance payout? If the answer is yes to any of these, then we are your company. Just check out our online digital reviews to learn how many of our clients have had an exceptional experience using True Restorations for their emergency repairs. Please do not sign the Repair Deposit Agreement unless you plan on having True Restorations do your repairs or you understand and agree that our consulting work is worth the fee charged. If you are looking to net out money from your claim, we are not the company for you. Don't forget, you can always choose the free review option for assistance on your repair claim. Please consult your True Restorations project manager to discuss your needs or call us at 631-757-0212 to schedule a free consultation. Thank you again for your time in viewing True Restorations Repairs explanation video. We look forward to assisting you.